Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter chicken. Start by gathering ingredients and marinating the chicken in yogurt, ginger, garlic, and spices for best flavor. Heat oil, sear chicken briefly, and set aside. Sauté onions until soft, add tomato puree and spices, then simmer. Finish with butter and cream, return chicken to sauce, and warm through gently before serving with rice or naan. Gather your ingredients and organize them for a smooth cooking flow. Use boneless chicken thighs for more succulent results and consistent cooking. Marinate chicken in yogurt, garlic, ginger, and measured spices to tenderize and infuse flavor. Prepare a simple tomato base with puree, onions, and added spices. Then finish with butter and cream for a rich, silky sauce that coats each piece of chicken. Sear the marinated chicken quickly to get a golden crust without overcooking inside. Remove chicken, then cook onions until translucent and fragrant, add tomato puree and spices, and simmer gently. Return chicken to the sauce and finish with butter and cream, stirring slowly to combine and keep the texture smooth. Taste and adjust salt or acidity, then serve the butter chicken hot with rice or naan and a sprinkle of cilantro.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.